Okay, dear subscribers, today I'm gonna make video 1996 Daihatsu Hijet dump truck, heavy duty. It's automatic transmission. It's got AC. It's a twin cam, 12 valves. Very nice truck. AC works great. Engine is awesome on this truck. We've been driving it for a while. So it's still got Japanese inspection, current one. I did replace front axle oil, engine oil, transmission oil, and transfer case oil, and rear axle oil. Also I replaced strut tops, both sides, and I put 2-inch lift kit on it, so it's sitting higher now. 2-inch front and rear. I didn't wash inside, nothing yet. Let's see if we can see the strut tops. Well, you can't, but you can see the lift kit. Oh, I think I need to tighten the belt. Maybe from here. Yeah, here is the brand new strut tops. This truck is a great truck. Got some little surface rust, some dents. Like here, it's a little dent, and I like that spare he put. Some rust here. It's just a surface rust, nothing major. I will probably little things like little scratches, tiny, and bumper and front is in perfect shape. Got little dent here on the roof. Antenna all intact. And couple dents here. Yeah, this little dent, some scratches, and no, this always scratches here. It's not a big deal. But other than that, it's in perfect shape. Heavy duty dump. Look at this piston. It's huge piston. Whispers, works perfect. I will probably, after I will detail it, I probably will paint that part. I will remove, clean it, and paint. Maybe I'll paint here. But before I paint, I usually show you guys how it looked. So yeah, I'll probably paint that little thingy. That's a stopper. I did already spray underneath. Also I put, when I put 2-inch lift kit, I usually drop transmission or whatever, transfer case back of it, inch and a half sometime. That way the drive shaft will stay straight and not going to make any noises, not a lot of force on the U-joint. So I did drop that. This is a brand new lift kit, and for some reason they put 3-inch, so I drill another hole, and if somebody wants, they always can lift more. There's like half an inch, something like that there. Very nice truck. Automatic shift, automatic transmission, AC, dump, power steering, everything. This is rare, very rare. Yeah, some farmer or some farmer lady will be just happy with it. And I'll try my best on the price, but that's very rare model. Yeah, you almost never see them having everything in one. So people been asking me, some people calling like, oh, can you get like automatic dump, AC? Not only automatic, it's also got that button here. Where's the button? Let's find it. Right there is a button. You push it, and right there, PWR, power something. But what it does, it brings The gear starts shifting a little later, so you can accelerate kind of faster here. And here's 4-wheel drive button right there. And that power button. Signal works. Turn signal works. It's fast, but both of them works. It's just a relay. Make it go fast. It's not only one truck. Another Daihatsu does the same. But both, I thought it's maybe not, one of them not working. Nope, they are working. It's just a little faster. Very, very nice truck. Very nice. I'm gonna clean it tomorrow. So even without cleaning, seats good. I'll clean them. Little tear here. I'll patch it with something. No rust at all on the cab. No rust underneath, it's just the dirt. This is dirt, so gotta come out. Yeah, I'll take it off tomorrow. Very, very nice truck. Very rare. Very nice. So all the fluids replaced, and it runs great. We took it for delivery, like 75 miles one way. Man, it flies here. And so, okay, the strut tops, lift kit, all the fluids. Yeah, and after I replaced the transmission fluid, it starts shift a lot smoother, a lot better. When I drained the transmission oil, it wasn't bad, but it started shifting a lot better, smoother. Yeah, very nice truck. It's got little chock there. Yeah, right there. A little chock for the wheel. Let's turn the AC on. And there's RPMs going up. Yep, lights. Everything works. Signal works. Radio works. Everything works. I think it's a 3-speed automatic transmission. It's not a CVT, whatever it is. This is a normal, full automatic. We never buy CVTs. They're not good. They get break very easily. Especially the computer part for a CVT is bad. So never buy, if it says CVTs or ECVTs, whatever they call it, never buy them. Yeah, man, look at that. It's all clean. After I will clean it, it's gonna look like brand new. Everything is very in good shape. Yeah. Okay, I will paint it a little here. I'll paint inside. It's gonna be black. I'll probably clean some rust there and here, and I'll paint all the sides. This is wood. I mean, I can paint it too, and it also comes out like that. Now let's bring it down. This is the button. Those sides opens up. It's kind of unusual truck. I don't know. It doesn't open up completely. It still got little gap. I guess it was special. I mean, the back comes out completely, or when you lift it, it will opens up on the bottom, or you can just lift that and remove the rear cover. I do have brand new stoplights. I'm gonna put the brand new stoplights. I'll probably paint here a little, clean it all, paint it. This looks kind of unpleasant. So that's it. Let's see if I got a plate. Nope. I'll drive it. Yeah. So 1996. Very low miles. Everything is perfect. Everything works. 2-inch lift kit. And 16,777 miles. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's put it four-wheel drive. Whew. Hot day today. I'm gonna grab the plates and we're gonna go drive. Okay, let's go to right. That runs great, yeah. No shaking, nothing. That's just perfect. Perfect truck, perfect. Runs great. Let's turn around. Ooh, long day. Hot day. Oh, look at that. Interesting. Interesting. Looks like Russian old car. Shifts great, yeah. I start shifting a lot better, yeah. Runs good, very good. And that's it. This is gonna be it for today. There's a bunch of other trucks. I got Nissan Elgrand, also nice one. I just finished that one. Replaced the whole front axle, everything there. Honda Acti, Daihatsu Hijet, Mitsubishi Minicab. I got one Suzuki Carry with a turbo on it. Yep. So give me a call 937-510-8059. Sam, have a great life.